and welcome back to another episode in our garden. In today's video we're going to show you how we plan on building a designated burn spot for all our green waste. So because we're living out here in the country, semi-rural, they don't actually collect garden refuse. It's up to us to dispose of it, and because we don't have a ute at the moment, it's just created a big messy pile behind me.
Get rid of that, and we've got some ColourBond steel sheets here. We've got 3 of those. And some galvanized posts, and we're just going to create ourselves a burn area that we can burn within, and it'll be safe. So I would leave a mow space.
Yeah, well that's why I'm doing that. So
okay.
There, you're doing it rough. I'm actually going to put this upside down so when you pick it up it's going to go around.
This tree is dead already, just so nobody says anything about us killing the tree. Yeah, he's dead.
He's very dead.
He is.
I'm going to put them upside down so when you pick them up. Okay, that's a pretty big, you'll be able to get the mower in here.
I was just thinking one in each corner.
Okay. I'm very much going to leave the hammering up to you.
Cool.
I don't have any strength.
So that, yep, and then do you want to turn us from older facing outwards or towards the sheep? Yeah, that's good. Right there. Thank you. So because the poles are, I don't know, what do you call this?
I guess sort of somewhat triangular.
Because the poles are 3-sided, we can't really square them off in the corner. So we're just going to drill holes and use the holes already on the galvanized post and just use wire to attach them. I've never drilled through this before, but it looks pretty...
Should be easy.
It looks pretty like mild steel kind of thing. Turn them on.
Good.
I drilled all the way down the side. It like ran down the paint. When I wasn't
lucky it's not for our fence.
I was watching on that side. I'll just do the top and the bottom for now, and then if it's sort of saggy looking,
I was
then we can do more. Okay. You were wondering?
If you didn't want to do the tops first, the 2 tops.
Just so you don't have to stand and hold it, maybe.
Well, no, but then that way it can't waver out. I just don't know how you're going to get this one is not right.
Yeah. It's not going to be super precise.
No, it's fine. It's up you're in.
Oh, we didn't drill that part, sorry.
Yep. Looks like it was stuck. Looks like a thing.
Looks a bit like a thing. And now I'm planning on 2 holes.
Around and drilled the rest of the holes into the fence posts. I then managed to actually contribute to the project by going around and attaching the ColourBond to the fence post with galvanized wire.
So this will be our designated burn pile. It was actually relatively easy to put together. The wire was actually a lot stronger than the metal sheets, so I accidentally tore some of it. So you can see here it's gone through the fencing a little bit. So if it is something you are thinking of doing yourself, just keep that in mind. Don't go all sort of guns blazing.
So what we're still going to do is burn a perimeter all the way around.
Burn or weed kill?
Not burn. So what we're going to do is we're going to get some weed killer, and we're just going to burn.
Spray perimeter.
So what we're going to do is we're going to get some weed killer, and we're just going to spray that around to create a perimeter of just where there's no grass, just in case something leaks out or some embers just jump over the top, because we're expecting this to get quite high. Yeah, so we'll do that, and then we'll move the existing garden rubbish and we'll put that in there and light that on fire. That's been sitting in here for a while.
Isn't that enough? Isn't that enough? Oh. Justice, are you okay? That was maybe just way too much petrol or whatever.
I'm gonna have no,
You're fine, you're fine.
No, my facial is good. I can feel it.
Oh my god, dude, it absolutely exploded in there.
Fuck, man, you got that on camera.
Oh, you're crying. God, you gave me a fright.
I'm glad I was wearing glasses. What do I and don't I have left?
Everything's got left.
I can feel that.
Yeah, but it's all there, perfectly fine. You gave me a fright.
This is a big fucking fire, bro.
Yeah, I just went boom. Like,
Yeah, well, I saw it. I mean, I saw the flame coming out of my shirt. That is a big
wind's
fire.
picking up. Might just want to put some water on the outside.
This was a very hot fire, and we've definitely learned our lesson about using fuel. Overall, I think this was a successful project, and we can now safely burn in a contained area. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and as always, thank you so much for watching and all your support.